to my channel. My name is Latifa Tago, and today guys I am giving you a house tour for my empty apartment. Yeah, so I just got a new apartment, and I just want you guys to see it. Like, it's totally empty, so I'm going to be moving in tomorrow. So I wanted to show you guys how it looks empty, and I'm so excited. Let me show you guys how it looks. Guys, let me show you. I hope you enjoy. So when you come inside, the first thing that you see is the kitchen. Yeah, so it's an open kitchen with a double sink. It has a double sink. So there's a window here. Not a very big window, but I think it's enough. I like that I have so many, cupboards and all, wardrobes, So the kitchen comes with the lighting. So you're given the lighting for free. Yeah, it comes with the house. Yeah, so yeah, this is where I think I'll put my cooker. Then this is where I think I'll put my fridge. Yeah. So yeah, and every other thing. I really like the counter. Like, I like the black counter, I just feel like it's a good touch of class, So yeah, it's very bright and beautiful. The flooring is tiles in the living room and the kitchen. So from the kitchen you come to it's like a place you can put your dining table, or your dining table. Then this is the living room. So the living room is I think it's quite big. It's good. Yeah, it's a good size for me. I love the lighting. Like I said, the lighting is it comes with the house. Then it has a 3D lighting. Let me try to. Yeah, it has a 3D lighting. Like, I love the lighting, Yeah, it has good lighting. So this is this is like the balcony, for the living room. So the living room doesn't really, it's like what's the name of this balcony? There's a name of these windows. Is it French windows or something? So instead of windows, they put for you like a door sort of window. So let's see how it looks when there's no all this lighting. Let's see how what is it called, the natural light is. So this is without any lighting. This is like the natural lighting, so I think it's decent. Yeah, so I think depending on the floor you're in, then that's how much light you'll get. For me, I think this is okay. Honestly, I have suffered looking for a house, you guys. And you see, the balcony is big. Most of these new houses don't come with a big balcony. And when I saw this, I was like, oh wow, this is good, So this is where I think I'll put washing machine, and this is my view. Not so bad, yeah. So wow, the sun is so good today. It's so good. So far I've shown you guys the living room and the kitchen and the dining area and the balcony. So right now I'm in the balcony and I love, oh, this sun is so nice today. The sun is so nice. So yeah, so this is what you see. This is my background, is the living room and the kitchen. Yeah, okay, let me show you. Like the spacing is good, it's decent, you know, the spacing is good, the lighting is okay. So I'm still using the natural light to do this, right? So I think it's decent. I'm still using the natural light. I wanted you guys to see. I'm still using the natural light without the other lights, yeah? So let me see if anything changes if I open the kitchen window. Yeah, I think that's more light. So still natural light, and it's good, yeah? So I can actually do my content very well here. It's okay, it's enough light, it's not too much. And when I close these doors, it's like they're tinted, sort of. It's almost like they're tinted. Let me show you. And almost soundproof. There's a bit of construction going on, but once I close the doors, it's like there's like it's almost soundproof. Honestly, it's almost soundproof. So this is how it looks when I close the door. You see? And the sound is way less, like the noise is not, it's almost not there, so it's okay, yeah? So guys, I think this is it for the kitchen. The kitchen is open, kitchen, the dining area, and the living room, yeah? And the balcony. Let me show you guys now. Let's go to the rooms. Okay, so this is like a, when you come straight on from the living room, this is the shared bathroom for the guest bathroom, not shared, guest. I'm still using the natural lighting, so this is how it looks. There's the light there, and there's some light here, and what is it called, the mirror somewhere to put my the towel, the hand towel. The sink is big enough. Then there's the somewhere I can put more storage for me. Yeah, this is the bathroom. Bathroom. I feel like I can put something here. I don't know what yet, but I will. This is where I can put the towels. It's a sliding door. I really like this. It's just like the previous house, but yeah. So this is the shower. There's that small window, which I think I'll be opening most of the time, so that steam can come out after someone has showered. And somewhere I can put the soaps. This is the bathroom. So this is the guest, the way I can put the tissue. This is the guest bathroom. That's it for the guest bathroom. Let me show you guys the first bedroom. This is the guest bedroom. So let me turn off the lights so you can see what's happening. So it is a decent size, I think. A 5x6 should fit in here. So I've not on the light so you guys can see the natural lighting coming in, but it's not enough. It's just a bit like, but I think it's a guest bedroom, so it's okay. But I was hoping for more light for the guest bedroom because I intend to do more in this room. Yeah, it's like a workroom or something like that. So anyway, it's fine. So with the lights we solve the darkness problem. So it has enough lighting. Yeah, it has enough lighting. Yeah, it has enough lighting. Storage, wardrobe, sliding doors. So they're sliding. Let's slide them. Sliding doors. More storage for me. More storage. I think I'll especially use this for my beddings, you know, beddings and maybe extra clothes or yeah. Then the window, yeah, the window is okay. There's a construction going on, but like I said, once you close the window, the noise is little or not there. Once you open, that's when the noise is, you know, there. But of course, they're not constructing 24/7, so it's okay. So yeah, this is what you see outside. Again, so yeah, that's it for this bedroom. Yeah. Yeah. So this bedroom is directly, you know, you can see the bedroom like from the door, from the main door, you can see this bedroom. So let's turn off the lights. Okay, these lights are so confusing, my God. So this is the master bedroom, just next to the guest room, the master. I've not turned on any lights. This is the natural lighting only. So now, let's turn on the lights. So with the lights, this is how it looks. This is with the lights. So the view for this bedroom is the same as the view on the living room. And this bedroom, I think, is it bigger or is it bigger? Yeah, I think it's bigger, just a bit. Then the wardrobe, same thing but bigger. You just slide the doors. Slide the doors. Yeah, just slide the doors. So it is same thing like the other one, like the other bedroom, but bigger. Then we have the master en suite, the bathroom. So you have my mirror there, and you can just do that for more lighting. I think it's very advantageous, especially for, you know, when you're doing makeup and all. So I like it. Yeah, somewhere to put a towel, more storage. Yeah. Same thing. The bathroom is the same as the other guest bathroom. Same thing. Yeah, same thing. Same thing. So like I said, these windows are tinted. So when you open, there's even more lighting. See? Yeah. So yeah, that's it, guys. So guys, I think that's it. I've shown you the best way I know. So once I move in, yeah, I will show you, like, you know, the progress and how how I will design the house and how I'll put my things and all that, and the moving process. And I'll also post for you my house hunting journey and all that. So guys, thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe for more amazing content. Guys, there's so much more coming, so stay tuned. Thank you guys for watching. Love you guys. Bye. Sawa, unaitwa? And? Okay. The company?
Space Movers.
Yeah, okay, sawa. So tutawapatia namba, si ndio?
Yeah.
Sawa, thanks. Sawa.